Good morning, students. I hope you all well and safe. And I am very happy to hear about most of our students spending much time in kitchen to assist their mom for preparation of food. While you stay in the kitchen, you have the chance to see different varieties of vegetables and fruits, and they are entirely different in their size and shapes than earlier. Have you think of this? How it was happened? Is it was involved by some technology things into the living may become amazing, and they have changed the shape and size. Yes, now we are going to see biobotany lesson number 4, principles and the process of biotechnology. First, we are going to see what is a biotechnology. Biotechnology is a branch of science as well as it is a branch of biology. It is also called applied biological process. உயிர் தொழில்நுட்பவியல். Development and utilization of biological process, forms and systems for the benefits of mankind and other life forms. உயிர் தொழில்நுட்பத்தில் பல உயிர்களுக்கு தேவையான நன்மைகளை பயக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு பிரான்ச்சா பயோடெக்னாலஜி இருக்கு. The term biotechnology was introduced by Carl Erke. He is a famous biotechnology, and he is also has done so many research in tissue culture as well as molecular genetics. When you move on to the next, biotechnology has two main heads or two types of biotechnology. Number one, conventional or traditional biotechnology. It is also called as the ancient biotechnology. The number two, modern biotechnology. The first one, conventional or traditional biotechnology, it is already started from our kitchen. Usually our mummy will prepare so many things in the kitchen like idli, dosa. For this preparation, some of microbes and bacteria are beneficially involved in this, and they will prepare this kind of things. It is also very much used for preparation of alcoholic beverages like a beer and wine, etc. In the second one, modern biotechnology, it has some advancement. What are the changes happen in the traditional biotechnology that brings modern biotechnology? Here, two main features are found in the modern biotechnology. Number one, they have the ability to change the genetic material for getting new products with a specific requirement through the recombinant DNA technology. Actually, what we are doing here, we are going to select one desirable DNA. That DNA has been inserted into the host species. The host will acquire the character of what we are expecting. So nowadays we are doing through the recombinant DNA technology. And the number two, ownership of newly developed technology and its social impacts. So it is a ownership as well as a patent rights will help us to the second thing. And what are the major focus of biotechnology? You might see so many focus of biotechnology is there. Number one, fermentation. We know very well it is a nodithal. By fermentation, we are able to produce acids, enzymes, alcohol, antibiotics, fine chemicals, vitamins and toxins. So nowadays it is very much used for us. Then second one, biomass. For bulk production of single cell protein, alcohol, biofuels, it is also one of the another focus of biotechnology and enzyme technology. Most of the enzymes are bioreactors and used as a biosensor for processing industry. Then biofuels, it is a most eagerly wanted products. Biofuels like a hydrogen, alcohol, methane. Microbial inoculants, they are also used for agriculture field like a biofertilizer and nitrogen fixers. Plant and animal cell culture also produce some primary as well as secondary metabolites, monoclonal antibodies. And it is also very much used by recombinant DNA technology, productions of chemicals, enzymes, vaccine, growth hormones, antibiotics and interferon. So it is a very famous term, the interferon, antiviral proteins. Once the virus enter in our body will make some immunogen by production of this interferon. Then it is also used for processing engineering. It is also a tool of biotechnology used for effluent as well as water recycling technique. Then bioreactor. Bioreactor is nothing but it is also called a fermentor. Nodi kalan. Fermentor is a vessel contain such a critical or optimum environmental condition. It is having some substrate along with a microorganism to react to produce a new things. So that is the main purpose of bioreactor. Here bioreactor having the two main process. One is upstream process, another one downstream process. In upstream process, what we are going to do is nothing but when you see the bioreactor, before going to do the fermentation, the process all included, it is called upstream process. Downstream process mean before we are going to start the fermentation, that means after fermentation, that is called downstream process. While you see the diagram here, ஒரு நொதி கலன் மாதிரி இருக்கு. இந்த கலன் அப்படின்னா நம்ம வீட்டிலேயே கர்ட் ப்ரிப்பரேஷனுக்கோ இல்லை தோசை மாவு இட்லி மாவு அரைச்சி ஒரு கண்டெய்னரில் ஊற்றி அதை ஃபுல்லாக க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி டைட்டாக வைக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். பட் லெபார்ட்டரியில் இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வைட்லி யூஸ்டு பை திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் வெசல்ஸ். திஸ் வெசல்ஸ் ஹேவிங் த tight as well as the closed things, and it is also having the three main sensors. One is a pH probe, another one temperature probe, and oxygen concentrate probe. These three probes are easily show what is happening inside in the container that we can see visibly in the outside. And it is also contain one cooling jacket is there. When the fermentation is to be run fastly, heat is evaporate. By the time the cooling jacket will help us. So this is the simplest way. Mostly this question can ask in the 5 mark. Draw the diagram and label the process of bioreactor. Then upstream process. I told earlier before the fermentation start what are the things we are going to do, that is called upstream process. The first one is sterilization of fermentor. நம்ம எந்த பொருளை உள்ளே போட போகிறோமோ போடுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த வெசலை 100% ஸ்டெரிலைஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கணும். நம்பர் 2, ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் ஆஃப் கல்ச்சர் மீடியம். ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த இனாகுலம்ஸ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் இன் த fermentor. That inoculum before going to introduce the culture media should be cleaned, as well as growth of inoculum, which is a substrate or a microorganism we are going to introduce into the container, that should be allowed for growth. It is a upstream process. Now downstream process. இப்போ நம்ம கல்ச்சர் வெசலில் உள்ளே போட்டுட்டோம், மீடியம் உள்ளே போட்டோம், இனாக்குலம் போட்டோம், ரியாக்ஷன் நடந்து முடிஞ்சது. ரியாக்ஷன் நடந்து முடிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் வாட் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு டூ, தட் இஸ் கால்டு டவுன்ஸ்ட்ரீம் ப்ராசஸ். ஆல் த ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப்டர் த ஃபர்மெண்டேஷன் இஸ் கால்டு டவுன்ஸ்ட்ரீம் ப்ராசஸ். It include distillation, centrifuging, filtration, solvent extraction. Most important aspects of downstream process is பியூரிஃபிகேஷன். நமக்கு தேவையான பொருளை 100% பியூரிஃபை வெளியில் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் அது டவுன்ஸ்ட்ரீம் ப்ராசஸ். தென் ப்ரொசீஜர் ஃபார் ஃபெர்மெண்டேஷன். டிபெண்டிங் அப்பான் த டைப் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட் த பயோரியாக்டர் ஷுட் பி செலக்டட். நம்மளுடைய ரிசர்ச்சுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நம்ம அந்த வெசல்ஸை செலக்ட் பண்ணணும். அந்த செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் செலெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் மீடியா, த லிக்விட் மீடியா டு பி ஆர்டர்ட் இன் த ஃபெர்மெண்டர். நம்ம பண்ணக்கூடிய ஃபெர்மெண்டேஷனுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுற மீடியம் ஆல்சோ வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அந்த மீடியத்தில் pH பார்க்கணும், temperature பார்க்கணும். That is also very much important. If the pH is too much, again it must be diluted. Then organisms to be added in the fermented. That is the third important step. எந்த ஆர்கானிசத்தை நம்ம உள்ள க்ரோ பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறோமோ அதை சிம்பிளஸ்ட் வேவில் உள்ள ஆட் பண்ணணும். தென் இன்குபேட்டட் அட் அ ஸ்பெசிஃபிக் டெம்பரேச்சர். ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் டெம்பரேச்சரை நம்ம கொடுத்தா உள்ளே போன மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம் இஸ் வெல் க்ரோ. And then whether it is need some air or it is a completely anaerobic, that should be checked and monitored. The last and the final is a withdraw the product. Fermentation முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் உள்ள நடந்த ரியாக்ஷன்ல இருந்து நமக்கு தேவையான ப்ராடக்ட்ஸை செலக்ட் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறோம். So that is the end of the downstream process. Then fermentation. Fermentation having some uses for us. Among this, here we are having microbial biomass production. Microbial in the sense biomass, ஒரு விஷயத்தை பல்காக ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் பயோமாஸ். ஹியர் certain microorganisms are grown, well grow, as well as they are produced in the biomass level. Microbial cells like algae, bacteria, yeast, fungi are grown. and the second one is microbial metabolites. Metabolites mean the products obtained from the microorganisms are called microbial metabolites. They are components of metabolites. It having the two main things is number one is primary metabolites, another one secondary metabolites. Primary metabolites, it produce life-saving process like ethanol, citric acid, lactic acid, acetic acid. The secondary metabolites, they are not required for vital life process but have value added nature like antibiotics. Here one example is there, amprotexin is one kind of antibiotics, will help us to fight immunogens. Then third one is microbial enzyme. There are some microbes are producing enzyme. That enzymes is very important for us. We are also getting many enzyme like microbial enzymes. Here they are given some example: protease, amylase, isomerase and lipase. These enzymes are very much used in detergent, food processing, brewing and pharmaceuticals. The fourth one, conversion or biotransformation process. One product can be used or converted into another product by using certain microorganism in the field of fermentation. That is called product is available for us. Conversion of ethanol into acetic acid, that's a preparation of vinegar, and isopropanol to acetone, sorbitol to sorbose. This is used in the manufacture of vitamin C. And the last, sterol is become steroids. Steroids mean it's a kind of immunobooster drugs. The next one, single cell protein. It is actually called as a SCP. Nowadays, it is the most growing field in the field of biology. நமக்கு தேவையான ஃபுட்டை ஒரு ரைஸ், அது கூட சாம்பார், நிறைய வெஜிடபிள்ஸ், இது எல்லாமே சேர்த்து 5 நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் ஆஃப் காம்போனன்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபுட்டை நமக்கு கிடைக்குதுன்னா அதை சிங்கிள் டேப்லெட்டில் நமக்கு எடுக்கிறோன்னா தட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி இஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் சிங்கிள் செல் protein. Here single cell protein has microorganism and their products are dried up and it is used for food supplements of protein supplement in the human food as well as animal feed. Single cell protein has high nutritive value due to their higher proteins, vitamins, essential amino acids and the last one with lipid. These kind of major components are present in the single cell protein. And microorganisms are used for single cell protein. It is the most important 3-mark question. Name the bacteria which are used as a single cell protein. Likewise, fungi and algae. Here, Methylophilus, Methylotrophus, Cellulomonas, Alkaligens, it is the kind of bacteria are used as SCP. And the fungi, Agaricus campestris, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is a baker's yeast which is used in the bakery, and Candida utilitis is also one kind of things that can be used as a food purpose. And algae, Spirulina, Chlorella and Chlamydomonas, these kind of things is also used as a food supplement for human. Then applications of SCP. Already we are told in the topic itself we are having SCP is a single cell protein. It is a protein supplement for us. The next one, cosmetically we produce healthy hair and skin by using of this SCPs. It is also very much used in the field of poultry for production of feeding cattle, birds and fishes. It is also used as in the food industry as aromatic carrier, vitamin carrier, emulsifying agents to improve, as well as it is a baked product in soups and ready to serve as meals in diet recipes. It is also used in the industries like a paper processing, leather processing and foam stabilizer. And finally we are going to the summary. What are the topic we are discussed today? Biotechnology, conventional biotechnology, modern biotechnology, major focus of biotechnology, bioreactor and diagram for a bioreactor, procedure for fermentation, applications of fermentation, types of microbial metabolites. In this two we have seen primary and secondary, and SCP, single cell protein, microorganisms are used for SCP and applications of SCP. Yeah, thank you. I hope be safe and stay safe. Thank you.